Number 13, what is the x-intercept of this function? If we're talking where it's crossing the x-axis, we know we're like here or over here. We've come over some amount, but how much have we gone up? None. We know the y value is 0 if we're talking the x-intercept. Now remember, f of x is y. That's the same thing. So this is really the equation y equals x squared plus 7x plus 10. We just said if we're talking where it's crossing the x-axis, we know this value, the y value is 0. So we simply write 0 there for the y. And now we got to figure out what x is going to make this situation true. Well, I notice that I have a trinomial, an x squared plus 7x plus 10, so I can factor that. So I think of the factors of 10, 1 and 10, 2 and 5. Which of these are going to add together to give me the 7? 2 and 5. So this factors down to an x plus 2 times an x plus 5 equaling 0. So if two things multiplied together give you 0, one of the pieces has to be a 0. So x plus 2 has to be a 0, or the x plus 5 has to be a 0. I now take away 2, take away 2. Negative 2 is one of my possibilities. Over here, subtract 5, subtract 5. Negative 5 is your other possibility. Now I need to write them as an ordered pair. So as an ordered pair, that's negative 2, and we just said the y value is 0. Negative 5, 0. Those are the two spots that it crosses. Okay, so it's basically, we know it's a parabola, so it is crossing negative 5, negative 2. That's where it's crossing. What about where it says, where's the y-intercept? Well, that means you've gone over none and up something. That means the x is 0. So we said f of x is y, and we just said the x is going to be set equal to 0. So I just set the x to 0. You can see how much easier this is. 0 squared plus 9 times 0, 0, plus 20, 20. So it crosses the y-intercept at 0, 20.